everyone. I have a very important question for you today. Have you brushed your teeth, washed your face, and changed into regular clothes today? And I ask this with love, no judgment, because I know firsthand how when you're stuck at home, it definitely can be tempting to stay in your pajamas all day long, right? And honestly, there is really nothing wrong with that. Not really, until there actually is something wrong with it. Okay, so I'm going to get into this in a little bit deeper in a second, but let me introduce myself first in case we haven't met yet. So, my name is Carmina Mebs. I am a health coach and I help women over 40 break free from sugar so that they can lose the belly fat and feel comfortable in their bodies again. Okay, so let's get back to those PJs. Now, maybe for you it's leggings or sweatpants, right? Doesn't matter. Because here's the thing, since we've been spending more time at home, because obviously of the corona pandemic, a lot of us are getting much more use out of our relaxation clothes. At first, it feels so liberating to ditch your work or your professional clothes and wear something a little bit more forgiving, right? Especially those clothes that have elastic or drawstring waistbands, right? Can I get a shout out for that? How amazing are these things? But I found that over time, this can have a trickle effect on other areas of your self care. As in, it can all go out the window. Or you can find yourself looking at the clock and suddenly it's noon and you still haven't run a comb through your hair. Anybody's been there? Right. And this can have a surprisingly huge impact on your energy level and on your mood for the rest of the day. Now, I am not suggesting that if you aren't leaving the house, that you have to go through your entire get ready for work routine. Like styling your hair, putting on makeup, or anything else you would normally do if you were going to the office. But it's amazing how much better you will feel all day if you take a few minutes to stick with a basic self care routine. And I'm talking about things like taking a shower, washing your face, and putting on a fresh pair of normal pants. And yes, I'm talking about doing this even if you think you might work out later in the day and get sweaty. Because let's face it, you can always take a second shower, right? What do you have to do? So I've actually spoken with a few clients about this, and they've said that they've noticed a drop in their energy and that they are feeling depressed ever since they started working from home more often. It's totally normal. But they also noticed that it took something as simple as hopping in the shower to turn their whole day around, right? So that's the good news. And it might sound weird, but science actually backs this up. Among other things, studies show that warm showers can help lower anxiety and encourage feelings of well being, right? So, not only that, but if you get called into a last minute Zoom meeting or video conference at work, you will feel your best. And that's never a bad thing, is it? So, I am wondering, have you noticed a change in your own morning routine since we've been sheltering in place? Right? Are you wearing a completely different wardrobe? Maybe not. Who knows? I'm curious, what's been your experience with all of this? So leave me a comment below this video and let me know because I'm ever so curious on how this is affecting you and how that has changed your day to day. All right. And by the way, I do my monthly free ebook giveaway is ready. And you can get it at bit.ly/Carmina giveaway. I'm going to put the link below so that you can just grab a copy for yourself. All right. It's full of good tips to help you survive this sheltering in place, which probably is going to last for maybe another month. Yeah, I think that's pretty safe to say. So, anyway, it was great catching up with you. I hope to see you again and have a great rest of your day. Take care. Bye for now.